Welcome to the How To series. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Today I'll be taking you through how to create a professional email signature for free with Canva and how to add the signature to Gmail. First, you need to open your browser and visit Canva. Once you open Canva, search for email signature. Any of the templates selected that has a crown requires you make a subscription. However, there are great designs that don't require you to make a subscription payment, and you can make use of these designs for free. Let's navigate through this template. Simply edit the information. You can change the text to your name. You can change the color of the text, change the fonts. There are several options to change the email address, the website, and all the information you need on your email signature. Next, you can change the icons you have indicating the email address, website, and all other information. You simply need to click on elements and search for website icons, or it might simply just pop up. Then you can edit it to your color preference. So I'm just making a light edit here, changing the color from black to pink and just repositioning it and changing the old design with a new one that I just created. Next, I'll be adding an image to the frame. So there was an image before, I took that out, and I'll be adding an image I just uploaded to the frame. So this is just how I'm going to do it, and that's it. Then also you can make further edits. Generally, I'm just going to add some sparkles and see how it looks. So you can just make as much edits as you would like and what your preference would be. So something interesting you can do is also edit the image. You can make it transparent, you can add a filter, you can change the image texture, make it brighter, have a contrast. Basically, it's subject to your preference. And then to save, make use of PNG as it gives a better quality than JPEG. So I'm going to make some adjustments to this design. I'll be adding my logo, rearranging the text to look aesthetically better in my eyes. I'll be taking down the glitter, resizing the logo. So in case you want another background color, you can simply click on the background, then click here, then you can add, or rather you can change the colors to your preference. Personally, I prefer white. Finally done with the edits on Canva, and I have my saved work. Now let's head over to Gmail. Once you access your Gmail, click on settings, then click on see all settings. Scroll till you see signature, then click on create new, then name that new signature default. Then after you name the signature default, click on the image icon and this will pop up. So once this pops up, you can upload your image. That's the email signature. Then it has been uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, then you can resize it. My preference for resizing is just keeping it as large, not original size, not small, not medium. Under signature default, simply select default, so all your emails will automatically, like your email signature would automatically pop up for all your emails. To add your website, you need to click on the email signature, then click on the link icon, add your link, and your email signature is good to go. Then save changes. Whenever you create an email, your email signature would definitely pop up. I really hope this was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.